heart in line. Try to play it cool, take my time, but every time you step into my space, baby, you'll rewrite my mind. You don't even have to try too hard. You just smile and I fall apart, like a melody I know by heart. Still it hits me like a spark. I tell myself stay strong, stay still, but my soul don't listen, it never will. Every glance from you breaks my wheel, and I'm drifting deeper still. Oh baby, I fight it, but I feel it more, like the waves keep crashing on my lonely shore. No matter how I lock that door, you're the key I can't ignore. Love without control, I'm losing all resistance, falling in your soul from a safe distance. You pull me close with no permission, and I don't even want resistance. Love without control is taking over me, like the tide that never lets the ocean be free. Boy, I surrender willingly. I can't hold back my heart anymore. Late nights, your voice in my head, sweet thoughts in the words you said. Even silence feels like love instead, when you're not here but still in my bed. I walk through the world halfway, every step I take for your name's sake. Even distance starts to break when love this deep begins to wake. And I know it's risky, I know it's wild, but I feel like a love-struck child. Every moment with you compile, now my heart's on fire and under fire. Baby, I try, but I can't deny you're the reason my defenses die. Even when I say goodbye, I still reach for you inside. Love without control, I'm losing all resistance, falling in your soul from a safe distance. You pull me close with no permission, and I don't even want resistance. Oh, love without control is deeper than the sea. Every heartbeat says you belong to me. No more fear, just let it be. I can't hold back my heart anymore. If love is a fire, let it burn tonight. No more hiding, no more fight. If this is wrong, it feels so right. Hold me closer in the moonlight, and if I fall, let me fall in you. Every broken wall comes breaking through. There's nothing I wouldn't do just to be loved by you. Midnight feels different when you're near, like the stars themselves can hear. Every promise whispered clear, every doubt just disappears. You hold my hand like forever lives, like every wound inside forgives, like love arrives and gently gives everything my lonely heart believes. I used to run from feelings deep, afraid of promises I couldn't keep, but now you're the dream I keep, even in my sleep. And every kiss writes a song in me, like waves surrendering to the sea. There's nowhere else I'd rather be. This love is where I'm free. Oh baby, don't let